Let me just put it on video. What was that? Did you just take?
I didn't even do anything.
Alright. There's Sweet Poops. Alright.
Close your eyes and reach in.
It's a lie.
What?
Is that a plane?
Maybe. No, it's not.
Oh!
It's upside down.
Nice!
I know it's navy, but
No, I was like this. I was like, is that a plane?
head wheels and everything. There's one more thing. This is the one you can use.
Yeah,
She'll go around there and go zoom.
Oh, the shot glass?
No. Yeah.
I have your shot glass at home.
Mhm.
Thank you.
And it has gold. I bought that one in like January. It's fucking
Thank you.
weird.
Thank you. Oh, you left the receipt in here.
I like how on the bottom of the plane you rip the price tag.
I did.
Yeah, it's still
The
there.
shot glass is a little sticky from the sticker that was on it. So, yeah,
It'll go on her bookshelf up there with the other ones.
Come on. Come on, you're next. Thank you. Good guess. I guess.
So
which one do I open first? From Missy? Ready? Am I good? Can I go?
Hey, did I get the birthday sticker? I think I took the ones off that said that Merry Christmas was because I bought.
Nope, that's a Christmas one right there. From Mom.
Can you see? Did I sit here?
That wide.
Sit.
Sit down.
Keep this wrapper away from babies and children here. Take it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the wallet.
What is it?
The card holder, actually. It's not a wallet. There's a difference. This thingy.
Was that from Missy?
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Missy.
Card holder?
Hmm?
For the card holder?
Yeah. This is way better. Are you gonna post this on anything? Don't
No,
post
I'm not.
Hold on, let me mark the charger real quick.
See, Courtney got me a new wallet, and it's humongous. And the trick was to get it down to this size.
Do me a favor, plug in my phone. The cord's right there.
Where's your phone?
Right here. Thank you.
Is it charging?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. To Greg from Mom.
That is being filmed.
Good.
On camera.
Who's that from?
From you.
I think I remember what that is. Oh yeah, that was hand carved in the Bahamas. I picked that up while I was there.
Hand carved. Why does he look worried? He's trying to look scared.
They did that. The woodworker was unbelievable.
Did you watch him make this?
Yeah, they did that all day. Just carved. I got an elephant, of course.
Do you know what kind of wood this is? It's kind of red.
Redwood?
Why didn't I think of that? Oh, it's like brown on the top. It's weird. Thank you, Monterey.
Coconut.
The guy did an incredible job.
We need a trash bag.
Nope, nope, nope. Those are last.
This one?
Nope, last.
This one?
Yes.
What?
You can do
That one's from Pipa Mama.
Put those two to the side.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
From Pipa Mama. You spelled their name right too.
With the P?
Yeah, with the
Okay, good.
They change it to B so it
I
doesn't
know.
sound crass.
Pipa.
It's not
Beepaw. That sounds wrong. Beepaw.
I'll keep the box. Thank you.
God. That looks like Dad's handwriting.
So where's the
Grooming kit.
What is it?
The grooming kit. I need this really badly.
You hear that, Mom and Dad?
Thank
He
you.
loves it.
Thank you, Peepaw Mama. Not Peepaw Mama. 2-year warranty. Ooh. I'm just gonna go bald with this thing.
Yeah.
Shave it all off. Britney Spears. Will be great.
Yeah.
Organize this.
What are you doing?
moving it around? Organized.
These are last. This one. What's this?
I wonder what that could be.
Is it anything I asked for?
Underwear.
What? What's that sound?
Socks.
You got me spoons. That's great. I had a feeling.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. I'm sure you did.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I actually just lost this one that I had in the barracks, so now I can use
Leaving the bird.
that. I can probably use this right now because I just shaved, but no, I will wait. And it smells good. Have you smelled it?
Minty?
No.
Or like
Cool water.
She's not here. Smell it.
Minty.
Minty. Okay, this is underwear.
No.
Yeah.
Two. I'm not gonna say that word.
Whoops.
Profanity. Two trigger.
Trigger.
Of course it's black.
Really?
Now they did not have any small. They had larges.
What was it say?
Tin
Tin fish.
fish.
Tin fish.
And on the back, I can see that. I could work there now. Oh my gosh. Thank
Yeah,
you.
You could use that as a night shirt.
Yeah, I know.
They didn't have any smalls, and they weren't going to be getting any. So
That was creative. I like that. Now where's the shrimp tacos?
yeah,
That's your 90. Yeah.
So this one,
I don't remember what that is.
poops.
Oops.
Poops.
Oops it up.
Mom wrote nigga on that last present though.
NIQQA. Nika.
She wrote two nigga.
NIQQA.
You believe that?
Nika.
Neat.